Utilizing the water displacement formula number 40 significantly simplifies wheel removal by effectively penetrating rust and grime, which reduces friction. This technique proves especially advantageous for those engaged in DIY car maintenance. Moreover, this formula excels at cleaning bug splatters and grime from your car's surfaces, delivering a polished finish without jeopardizing the paint. It also establishes a protective barrier that repels future dirt. Furthermore, applying this formula to windshields before winter can stave off ice and frost accumulation, thus saving time during those brisk mornings. This is particularly advantageous for vehicles parked outdoors in frigid climates. In addition, restoring faded paint with the water displacement formula can temporarily elevate your vehicle's aesthetics, bypassing costly professional services. This technique proves especially useful for occasions when a polished appearance is necessary. Cleaning wiper blades with the same formula not only enhances their performance, but also extends their lifespan, ultimately conserving your budget on replacements. Consistent maintenance ensures visibility remains clear across all weather conditions. Moreover, preventing frozen gas tank doors is essential during winter, and this formula provides a protective barrier against moisture. Implementing this straightforward step can spare you from frustrating incidents at fuel stations. Regular cleaning of car rims is crucial. It prevents rust and corrosion, thereby ensuring they maintain their durability over time. This practice is integral to preserving your vehicle's overall aesthetic appeal. Removing stickers and sap from surfaces can pose a challenge, but employing the right formula simplifies this task. This approach protects the paint while ensuring a pristine finish. Addressing scuffs and paint transfers promptly is vital for maintaining your vehicle's appearance between professional detailing sessions. This technique proves to be a time and cost-saving method for car owners. Keeping door and ignition locks well lubricated is pivotal for vehicle functionality, particularly in extreme weather conditions. Proper maintenance helps avert frustrating lock malfunctions and ensures smooth operation. Restoring headlights is essential for enhancing visibility and safety during nighttime driving. Regular upkeep using a specific cleaning formula not only improves their appearance, but also boosts their effectiveness over time. Removing gum and sticky residues from upholstery can be quite daunting. However, employing a gentle cleaning formula streamlines the process, ensuring the fabric remains undamaged and fresh. Addressing water damage in electronic components is critical for the optimal performance of your vehicle. A specific water displacement formula can swiftly restore functionality after exposure to moisture. Consistent application of this formula not only enhances aesthetic appeal but also shields engine parts from wear and tear, thus ensuring prolonged lifespan for these components. For instances of stuck brake drums, the formula acts as a practical solution, preventing damage associated with improper removal techniques, which ultimately makes vehicle maintenance more efficient. Additionally, the formula's moisture repellent properties create a non-stick barrier on shovels, facilitating snow removal and reducing physical strain during winter cleanups. Regular cleaning with the water displacement formula helps prevent dashboard cracking, extending its life. This method keeps your car's interior looking fresh and well-maintained throughout the year. Moreover, shining your tires not only enhances their aesthetic appeal but also offers protection against damage. Regular use of the appropriate formula aids in maintaining their appearance and longevity. In conclusion, the video presents a total of 18 useful hacks for car care that can significantly elevate your vehicle's appearance and enhance its performance.